So she's either the fattest Jersey cow I've ever seen, or she's pregnant. We are back and forth. I mean, obviously that's why we're doing the pregnancy test. She hasn't progressed. So that is, you know, maybe we just don't know.
Hey everybody, Jacob's down in the field moving the pigs, and I just got the email with our pregnancy test results for Juno, and call him up and we're gonna check out these results. Jacob, we got an email. Yeah, come check it out. We'll open it together. Come on, I wanna know. Run, Forrest, run! You ready?
Got it. I'm ready.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, me too.
All right. Oh my gosh, look. Percent pregnant.
Oh, yes! Yeah, that's cool.
I told you.
Yeah.
I told you so.
Oh, whatever. Whatever. So she's totally pregnant.
She's pregnant.
Now we got to know from Tony, like, what's this possible range? We know at least as far when she came here, she couldn't have gotten pregnant after.
Obviously.
After that.
Yes.
Okay,
so we have to ask him if he happens to know when she was last with the bull.
Okay.
And we have a very large time window.
Okay.
Well,
she's pregnant. So whatever.
I'm relieved.
We've been doing this for 2 months. We can do it in another month or two, but she's pregnant. Things are good. And like Mike said, what did Mike say?
Oh.
Remember, Mike was like,
yes.
Tennessee Mike, a viewer and client.
Yeah.
You were right, Mike.
He said, she doesn't look very pregnant. You're going to have a calf in the middle of the summer.
Yes. So, thank you, Mike. You were right. And we are going to have a calf in the middle of the summer.
I hope.
Yeah.
Or it could be early fall. We have no clue.
It's all good. She's pregnant. All right. I'm thrilled. Someday soon, hopefully, maybe. Some days she seems really bothered that she's still pregnant. Other days, she don't care. Don't lick my phone. Thank you. Okay, let's go feed the chickens.